Good morning, my dear students. How are you? Today, our first lesson is talking about living and non-living things. Do you know what are the living things? That's right. Living things are things that can grow up, can eat food, can drink water, can breathe air, can reproduce, and die. Can you give me examples about living things? Good. Like cat, bear, dog, birds. What about plants? Are they living things? Good. They are living things. Why? Because they can grow up, can breathe air, and can eat food. What about you? Are you a living thing? That's right. You are a living thing. Why? Because you can eat food, you can drink water, you can grow up, and you can breathe air. So all these examples are called living things. All living things need three things to grow up or to stay alive. Need water, need air, and need food. Without water, air, and food, what happens for living things? They will die. Do you understand living things? Great. What about these objects? Are these objects living things? Can a school bag move? No. Can car eat food? No. Can table drink water? No. Can board grow up? Of course no. Can computer breathe air? No. So these objects are non-living things. So non-living things are opposite to living things. So non-living things are things that can't move, can't grow up, can't eat food, and can't breathe air. Do non-living things need water, air, and food to stay alive? Great. They don't need water, air, and food because they can't eat food, they can't drink water, and can't breathe air. Let's see a video about the difference between living things and non-living things.
Let's learn the difference between living and non-living things. How do we know if something is living? Living things can move, grow, breathe, reproduce, and require nutrients like food and water. Let's look at an example of a living thing. Does a bear move? Yes. Does a bear grow? Yes. Does a bear need nutrients like food and water? Yes. Does a bear breathe? Yes. Does a bear reproduce? Yes. So is a bear living or non-living? That's right. It's living. So how do we know if something is non-living? Non-living things can't move. Non-living things don't grow. Non-living things don't need nutrients. Non-living things don't breathe. Non-living things don't reproduce. Let's look at an example of a non-living thing. Does a microphone move? No. Does a microphone grow? No. Does a microphone need nutrients? No. Does a microphone breathe? No. Does a microphone reproduce? No. So is a microphone living or non-living? That's right. It's non-living. Let's try some more examples together. How about a flower? Does a flower move? Yes. Does a flower grow? Yes. Does a flower need nutrients? Yes. Does a flower breathe or need oxygen? Yes. Does a flower reproduce? Yes. So is a flower living or non-living? That's right. It's living. Does a table move? No. Does a table grow? No. Does a table need nutrients? No. Does a table breathe? No. Does a table reproduce? No. So is a table living or non-living? That's right. It's non-living. Let's try one more together. How about you? Can you move? Yes. Do you grow? Yes. Do you need nutrients like food and water? Yes. Do you breathe? Yes. As humans, are we able to reproduce? Yes. So are you living or non-living? That's right. You're living. Awesome job!